Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So y'all know whenever I'm looking this gorgeous, we know the wig is from Luvme hair company. And let me tell you something about this wig. It came like this. There's nothing that I did to this wig except I used a little bit of serum, okay, just to tame away the flyaways. That's the only thing that I did to this wig, and look at how I'm looking. Okay, I did not even cut the lace on my own. Like Luvme here said, Mimi, we are going to do everything for you. So if you want this wig, if you want to look as gorgeous as I am looking, do check the description box down below. I have a discount code for you and direct link so that you can look as gorgeous as me. And this wig is a game changer. Okay, it is lightweight, the curls are nice and bouncy, and guess what, there's no glue here. No glue. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get straight into today's video.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride.
So I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. So this is their box. It is purple and silver, okay, as usual. If it changes, I will let you know, okay. So they were kind enough to send me a wig cap, 2 HD wig caps, branded Luvme hair wig band, and of course a wig storage bag. So this is the wig. Okay, let me show it to you guys. Oh, they cut the lace for me. Look at that. The curls are bouncy. The wig is bouncy. Look at the shine. It is absolutely beautiful. So I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks inside. It is very nice and lightweight. Oh my goodness, it is so lightweight, guys. This is how the wig looks inside, and I have not seen anything like this. Okay, I've never seen anything like this. I don't want to lie to you guys. What? Okay, let me show you guys. I'm so amazed by this. Look at the band, guys. Look at the band. This is how the band is. So I love the fact that you can also adjust this band according to your head size. Okay, so this is how I'm going to adjust my wig, and it is still nice and stretchy as well. And this is how, look at that, guys. This is literally zero stress free cap kind of a wig. Okay, like, oh my goodness, look how stretchy it is. I've never seen anything like this, so I'm just like, Luvme hair. Wow, this is a game changer, by the way. This is a game changer. Look at this. This is going to be very comfortable. It's going to be so comfortable. Okay, so this wig also has this adjustable band to secure it, and I also love this parting. So you can part this wig anywhere, and this wig came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. Okay, the lace was cut for us. So I'm just blown away by this wig. Okay, look at it. It is amazing. Like, it's so lightweight, guys, very lightweight, but it is so full as well. So I'm just like, Luvme hair, you did the things here. I am so impressed with this wig. So I'm going to quickly put it on my head, and let's see how it looks. It is gorgeous. It is shiny. Wow. What? Yo, wow, the lace just disappears. Look at the plugging, guys, this is a game changer. Let me calm down so that I can explain how I'm feeling. I feel like I'm not wearing a wig. Okay, Like, it is so lightweight, it's not even funny. It is super lightweight. It is so comfortable on my head. It is also like, guys, I cannot believe it. It fits perfectly, okay? What? And you can pat it anywhere as well, okay? You can just pat it anywhere because it is a 7x6 lace closure wig, okay? Wow. Guys, this wig is nice and full and lightweight at the same time. So guys, I'm just gonna use my serum just a tiny bit on top, just for, you know, flyaways. And that's it. Separate the curls just a bit because this is a body wave lace closure wig. So love how bouncy these curls are. So bouncy.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and, of course, for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, bye, guys.